So guys, in the other video that we discussed about, I taught you some ways to actually start a fresh channel. But if you have not watched that video, you can go back to watch that video. It's your boy Coach Favor. If I have not introduced myself, if this is your first time of coming across my channel, please do well to subscribe to this particular channel. We do drop legit updates here. So guys, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you another secret way to actually start a channel without stressing yourself. Now, gone are the days when people crack their brain thinking of what to do or how to start something or stress their brain or whatever. Guys, the easiest way now to actually start something now, a channel now, any channel at all now, is by just you looking for a channel that is successful and then replicating the same process. The easiest way, hear me again, to start any channel now and become successful in a short while is by looking for a channel that is already successful and then replicating the process. And in this particular video, you can see this channel I saw now, Sweaty Clash, is a channel that has 239k subscribers. And when I went to the video section, what really caught my attention, this video is pulling tons of views in minutes, not even hours, in minutes. Guys, see this one that busts my head self. In 53 minutes now, I'm seeing about 2.1k views. Meanwhile, there are people with this same subscriber count that they are not even getting up to this amount in minutes. Some of them now, this 2.1k views now will take them days before they can get it. Meanwhile, this channel is getting it in minutes, and in 22 hours somebody is getting 26k views. So you should know that this channel is actually sweet. Yes guys, but no matter how sweet it is, I will tell you the truth, nothing is easy here. So obviously guys, what we'll be doing is that we'll be replicating this particular process. And when I clicked on the video of this guy,
a wise man once said, 2 wrongs don't make a right.
I discovered that this particular channel posts game content. You can see it. So most of you that used to play game, you can see it. So if you are actually somebody that loves creating games, you can come and check out this person here. You can see the game that people play for cruise is what this guy actually uses, and people are watching it more than, like, people are watching crazily to see the same game that people are playing for fun. So some of you that used to play Dream League, some of you that plays, guys, there are several ways to make money on this internet space. So now, diving directly to the main purpose of today, what do? I'll just click on more and then I'll copy the link to the channel. This is what we need to actually create something like this, because I told you earlier, I said replicating the same process. Guys, you get me? And our basic favorite tool that we have always been using to work, you should know it by now. The moment the logo shows itself, you should know it's ChatGPT I'm talking about. So you'll be like, I want to recreate a similar channel to, you drop the link of the channel you have found. Remember, the channel you pick must be a very big channel. Yes guys, so now you now tell it, go through his channel and suggest names I'll pick, and then you send it to ChatGPT so that he can give you a list of names you will pick. So the channel name is Sweaty Clash. Yes, it's actually a game content. So let's see, it's a royal focus gaming channel. So you guys, you can see it, he said it's a gaming channel, and it specializes it, a royal focused gaming channel that posts long form gamely strategy videos, meta deck guide, funny chaotic matches, and short clips related to the game. So it's actually a gamer. So you can come here and say, look at names they gave you: Meta Clash, Clash Ops Gaming, Overtime Royal. Or even if you don't pick from these things, you can now look like you think of a name similar to something you want to do. You can say, Coach Favors, let me see something. Coach Favors Clash Game. Since it's a Clash something, Coach Favors Clash Games. You will see it's also good. Let's ask ChatGPT. How about this? Let's see. Coach Favors Clash Game is actually a solid name. Here is a quick breakdown so you can decide confidently what works well. Coach instantly positions you as a teacher. Yes, strategist. Perfect for guide. So let's see, small improvement considerations. The name is good, but it's a bit long. You can see it now. ChatGPT is helping us improvise on these things, so it's a bit long on YouTube. Shorter is more memorable, because the more people can think of your channel, the easier it is for them to remember. Sometimes people, you see that sweat clash, sometimes you can just sit like that and you will want to think of a game, you don't know, you didn't subscribe to the channel, they will just have to search for it direct. So let's see, you see names: Coach Favors Royal, Coach Favors Gaming, I don't like gaming. Favor Clash Coach, no. Coach Favors Meta, no. I think I like this Coach Favors Royal. And so now that we have gotten a perfect name for what we are about to do, now let's see something. Say best choices based on growth, guides and teaching. Coach Favors Clash, no. Let's see username consistency tip. Before finalizing, quickly check available ones on YouTube, okay, TikTok and Instagram. See guys, listen to me, let's do this thing now that it reminded me. Thank God I didn't forget it here. And I think it also reoccurred in the other video as well. So we checked, we are using a Coach Favors Royal. So what it's actually telling us here to do is that we should come on YouTube now. Let's search for that name to know if there is anybody using that particular name as us, because we will not want to be stressing ourselves. Let's see, I think there is no channel using Coach Favors. Let's see, this one is eyebrow clips. There is no exact channel using Coach Favors this thing. They no go want try use my name sef, Coach Favor. They no born the person way. So you see it now, Coach Favor no dey. So you think of your own name and then maybe you can check if somebody is already using your name. I remember when I was creating a video for my bro, and then we are using gospel something, and he was asking why did they use my video name. I was like, you get name. So guys, back to what we were saying. So you can see nobody is using that particular name. Channel name suggestions. Nobody is using that particular name, so obviously that is the name we will use. And now if you have not watched the other video, go and check the other video. You can know how to create the channel by yourself, so how to set it up. And then what you will now do is, if you want, you can see this down part here now. This is where I'm interested. So he said, if you want, I can design a channel description, create a logo and banner prompt, build a 30 days content plan inspired by Sweaty Clash. Just tell me. You get? So now what we are going to be doing is, if peradventure your own this thing didn't show you this thing now, you can just tell your ChatGPT, give me channel description for the channel. If you watch the other video, you will understand more better. And then you tell it, create a logo and banner prompt for me. And then if you watch the other video as well, you will also see how we generated it and turned it. Just go watch the other video, it will be linked in the description below. And if you stay to the end of this video as well, you'll be getting the major parts that we didn't discuss in the other one, because this one as well is the excerpt of the other video. So guys, this is how you set up and generate a fresh channel for yourself. Now let's move to the next part that we were about suspending in the other one. Let's see. Guys, in the next video, or maybe say as we proceed, just check my Telegram channel or my WhatsApp channel. I will link it in the description as well. I'll be dropping some niche for you. Yes guys, and if you have any question as well, drop it in the comment section so I can as well help you out. But obviously guys, just know that before you start any niche, go and check out people's videos that are already succeeding in that area. Yes, listen to this one now. Check out other people's channels that are already succeeding and replicate the same process. Watch their videos, see how you can sample yours. If you don't understand how you can replicate it, just drop a message. I will reply you. If I don't reply you, people around me will reply you, and then we'll help you, give you support full time. Coach Favor cares. So guys, the next thing we are going to be looking out for now is that particular gospel cut, is that particular keyword section we left. So the keyword section now is like an area where the way our channel like is like a section that carries the specific ranking words that will help our channel get easily discovered by people. So we'll make research here, or we'll come back to ChatGPT. Let me see something if it's gonna help us. I've not tried this before. There's a strategy I wanted to show you before, but I'll be showing you here now. Let me just try it directly with us if it's gonna work. Give me a list of the top 5 gospel bloggers in my niche. Like I mean to like say, give me the link to their channel. Let's see something. So now we're gonna be checking something. Perfect. So now this is Joseph Prince, powerful gospel teaching, grace focus. Let me try something. Okay. This guy actually uses his face to do the stuff. So he's actually a gospel blogger. Yes. But these are not what I want. So I actually mean you should give me channels that post edited clips of other ministers, like AB Ministries, like Joshua Selman, Apostle Johnson Suleiman, Michael Orokpe. All those are the channels I needed. So let's tell it back again, and then let's see this one, Apostolic Voice TV. Let me check. Remnant Breed. These are channels. Let me check what these ones actually do. Perfect. So this channel actually have 10.2k subscribers, and their views are actually low. We can't really copy these guys. Yes, their views are low. 2 weeks somebody has 77 views, in 2 weeks 74 views, in 1 month 119 views, 1 month ago 4. No, the channel is too small for us to copy. What we need is a successful person that has already started chopping big figures online. Let's replicate the process. That is what we want to do. This person has 1.53k. Obviously we can't work with this person, so you will just have to take your time and look for channels that are bigger. There are channels that the moment they post, they will collect better views like this. This one has only 400 and something views, but it's not still bad. Let me use these channels to show you what I wanted to do with those big channels. So when you find them, you can just see them. All you have to do is to copy the channel link. You can see Remnant Bridge. Just click on it, and then you will see copy link, and then move to your browser. This step is actually something you should calm down and watch. Don't be in a hurry to leave. Pay this sacrifice time now and catch up in knowledge that will help you. Is the best. So guys, you move over to Tune Pocket. Just search for Tune Pocket online. Or probably I will be dropping a link in the description. Yes, because some of you might get confused of this area. I will drop a link in the description. You go there, click on it to direct you to either my Telegram channel or my WhatsApp channel. That is where I will drop the link. If you're already in my Telegram or WhatsApp channel, easy for you. Just go there, and then you will see a link that will direct you to this particular website. Now it will be the best so that you won't be confused. Just follow that link, but don't forget to subscribe or follow my YouTube channel or my Telegram channel. So now the next thing we will be doing is that we'll paste the link we copied in this particular location here. You can see where my cursor is, and then we'll click paste. So we'll click I'm not a robot. Let's find something. Okay, motorcycle. Let's actually do this, and then we'll click verify. So traffic light. Verify. Perfect. And then we'll click review keyword. Let's see if this channel has keyword. And you can see the channel keywords that this person is using. You can see it. Apostle Kesiena, Nigerian Church. You can see all the keywords this person is using. guys. So this keyword is what we copy, and if you look carefully, you will discover that this first one here, remnant breed, is the one that the channel name is. Yes, so you can actually replicate this same process now by doing what? Putting your own name there. Since our own is a gospel cuts, you will not use remnant breed, you will use gospel cuts as the first keyword. But obviously you see they are posting videos of Apostle Kesiena, they are posting videos of you know how this thing, so you just click on it. Not to click, I deleted it, sorry, but take note of my mistake, don't go and make the same mistake again. So you just click copy to clipboard. So this links now has been copied to clipboard already. This links has been copied to clipboard, and then we move over direct to this thing, the channel on Google. Okay, it's still on Google here. Let's look for that channel. Perfect. So we'll come back here now to that settings section. Sorry, not there. Look at the settings down here. I told you it was down here. See it here. That is where I got it. So we'll come back to channel, and then we'll come back to this keyword section. And so now we'll now say gospel cuts TV, comma, and then we will now paste the other ones. You do them one by one. You get? The moment you click this one, you copy all these other ones, then copy all the other ones out. If you just click cut, bam, just paste it one by one. I don't have time for this, please, sorry. Then you moment you paste it gradually one by one, you click save. So if you are clicking save, automatically this channel is ready. So you can now start going back to edit your content. Now below this video, for those that will be going into the gospel blog, I'll be dropping a list of channels that the direct links of most big channels, like the channel of the direct channel of Apostle Joshua Selman, Encounter Jesus, which is Apostle Michael Orokpo. I'll be dropping their links detailed in down below this particular video now. So just go directly there and then use the link to this particular. I'll be dropping the link to this stuff on Telegram. Check the description, you will find access to it. Guys, just do it and automatically your channel is ready. If you have any question, drop it down in the comment section below. I'll be glad to help you on that. It's my responsibility. And if you are inside the main community, the DLC HK, obviously you have any challenge, just come there, drop a screenshot. Obviously we will help. So congratulations, it's your boy Coach Favor. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It's a way of telling me thank you and do more. Coach Favor cares.